EyeBuyDirect was founded on a simple mission: make quality eyewear accessible to everyone. Everyone? Yep, we know that's a lot of people. But our vision is clear. We're here to make your vision possible. Step 1 of our journey. We took out the middleman to deliver affordable eyewear to your door in just 2 days. Which means you can focus on the everyday moments that matter, while we focus on, the rest. We dedicate ourselves to the details, so you can see the bigger picture, like love. And getting your glasses ASAP, that's an A+ moment you can't forget. You could say we're obsessed with convenience, so you can find quality glasses faster. New selfie-ready styles weekly, and a ride-home-to-mom worthy experience. We own the process, from design and craftsmanship to manufacturing and delivery, until you become the proud owner of a new pair. Need some time to get used to your glasses? We got you! With our 14-day fit and style guarantee, you've got 2 weeks to try on new looks for size. The way we see it, glasses are your superpower, helping you view the road ahead. Your journey is our passion.
Eyewear innovation.
Eyewear style.
Eyewear convenience.
Eyewear quality.
Eye care and EyeBuyDirect.